Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Wi-Fi on a laptop. It depends on whether you have Windows 11 or Windows 10, but basically you should have a button right here, which if you have Wi-Fi enabled will look like this, but if you don't, then it will be a globe with maybe an exclamation mark or something like that, or it may be this symbol but with an exclamation mark, or it can be a PC icon with a cable next to it. That means that you are connected to internet through Ethernet. So you can just click on that, and on Windows 10 it will already pop up the Wi-Fi settings, but on Windows 11, like I have here, it will show this control center, and now I need to click on this arrow right here, and now I'm in the Wi-Fi. And to turn it off or on, click here. Now you can see I have the globe. That means that I don't have internet access, and now I can enable it and it should connect to the Wi-Fi. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.